Hi guys, this is Frank from Fupower. Are you looking for a reliable supplier for custom performance parts? Fupower owns 4 independent facilities for exhaust, silicone house, and carbon fiber pre-filter. We have 3D scanner, 3D printer machine, and CNC machine, and laser cutting machine. So you guys, if you have any the custom projects, just send us your sample or drawing. We will support the small, big order and wholesale order to support your business growing larger. This area you can see we make a lot of the carbon fiber intakes. Part of the DNA is make the air intakes. We make different the material for the pipes. You know, the metal, the carbon fiber, the silicone, and aluminum intakes. You can see this area is a lot of the carbon fiber that are intake pipes. Make for the BMW G80, F80, and B58. We make a lot of the carbon fiber intakes in stock. If you guys actually our business is make a custom service. If you have any new projects, we can use our 3D scanner, 3D printer to develop your projects. We have more engineer to help create your idea. The camera can see the different the pipes, the carbon fiber, the quality is very good, and a lot different colors, black, red, and purple. You can send up drawing or sample. We can communicate them further information. Thank you guys.